Okay, Tuesday, June 16th. Coming into today, we were looking a little bearish. We been going straight up for the last couple days from the new week opening gap, and refound all-time highs, and then we had this huge red candle pre-market, and we inversed this 1 hour gap right here. So after that. There's the 1 hour gap. Oh my God. Let's get rid of that. And then look at these 15-minute candles. It's like straight up, straight down, straight up, just ranging. And I was trying to actually catch a retrace into this 15-minute gap. And I actually did go long for a second, but there's like a contract rollover something on my wealth charts, and it wouldn't even let me execute the trade, which actually would have saved me. I think I tried to go long, like maybe, I don't know, doesn't matter. It was somewhere here. It would have been in profit for like a minute maybe, but then I would have gotten stopped out if I didn't break even it. But yeah, so that didn't work. Then I got that sorted out. And then, yeah, I was looking for us to tag this 15-minute gap to go lower because we had a huge unfilled 15-minute right here. Right there. And yeah, also a 30-minute. So we had this 30-minute and 15-minute unfilled gap. That was my draw for longs, and then we just kind of got it. And if we were going to go higher because we are at all-time highs, I would have held it. But yeah, no, we were bearish. So then it was really bad price action because we swept. We had an SMT off ES with these Asia lows. There was these stacked up lows here. And then we had this Asia low here, and we kind of took that out pre-market, but we just kind of wicked it. We didn't really get a candle closure below. There wasn't like a real good like money sweep or anything, so I was a little skeptical about longs. So I was like, maybe we come back down and resweep that. We only cleared it by like a couple points, so usually we like to clear it with like a bit more, get a candle closure below, and then like a money sweep and then return. But yeah, just kind of tagged that 15-minute, and I believe. Let's look at the 15-minute on ES. ES was also not at all-time highs. Really holding this first gap. And we did get a bearish SMT off of this high here. Bearish SMT. And yeah, really tried to get through this gap. Couldn't do it. Had this huge trend line that I was like, damn, we probably are going to want to run this trend line. And we did just that. So yeah, ES was all wacky. Yeah, first right off the jump, it came and swept these highs, going through this 15-minute gap, and then every candle closed under this gap. Tried again, we got stacked up highs now. Be a draw for later, and yeah, then eventually, where did I go short? I went short somewhere here on NASDAQ. This is ES, and we had a 1-minute inverse here on this candle and on that candle. So this one bearish candle swept through both of these 1-minute inverses or fair value gaps or whatever. And yeah, then we dicked around here, and I was like, you know what, I feel like this is gonna puke. And then on NASDAQ, let's go to the 1-minute. It's exactly where I went long. Yeah, it was same time. Yeah, so that's the 719 candle. I went long. We started breaking down here. I think I went short like right there, and yeah, got like 81 points out of it. I was targeting this. We had this unfilled 1-hour gap. That's that purple box right there. And yeah, on NASDAQ, basically, we're just kind of doing the same thing. Tagged the 15-minute. Really ugly price action. We did have a 1-minute inverse right here, which I didn't take right away because we were just like ranging, and it was just super wacky. I really was not liking price action. You couldn't really get a feel on like anything really. The 5-minute, like we had this 5-minute inverse to go higher, and then we just didn't, because if you had waited on that, you would have got in here, and that would have been like an 84-point stop to make, yeah, you got 29 points out of it. You did want to get these highs, but yeah, that would have been a stop out. That would have been tough. And then we got this gap opened up here, and then we get another 5 minute inverse to the upside. So you go, fuck, maybe we are bullish. And then that instantly failed and started going down. And we were delivering, like this little wick was like not really delivering out of anything. We have this tiny 5 minute gap. Didn't even touch it, actually. We were holding, there's a 15-minute gap right here, yeah. It was this one right here from that candle that I was looking to break, because we came down and we did not close under it. It was really holding up all of this price. And yeah, super strong level of support apparently, but then yeah, then we just, once we broke through it, we just absolutely tanked. And yeah, I was able to get in just in time for that. Somewhere here, 71, yeah, 771 is where I got in. And yeah, banger trade for 81 points. TP, I took profit right before that 1 hour gap, just to make sure of it. And yeah, pretty sweet stuff. But yeah, terrible price action. So like really, we had an SMT off the highs. ES was like sweeping out this. We were nowhere close. We're down here. We're stuck in this 15-minute gap. We're getting a 5-minute inverse, and then it fails. Another 5-minute inverse, and then it fails. And I go, okay, we got to be bearish. Then we got this huge new week opening gap down below, and price has just gone up for a bit. RSI is getting pretty exhausted, and yeah, we just ended up fucking puking. Pretty sweet stuff. That's about it, I think. Yeah, kind of ugly day, but caught a win.